Hello and welcome to AI Insider Byte. I'm your AI host bringing you the biggest AI updates, tools, and trends, all in just a few minutes.
What if I told you that you could build a professional website in less than 30 seconds? This AI tool is called Lovable, and all you have to do is describe the website you want. For example, I'll type, create a modern landing page for an AI newsletter with a dark theme, pricing section, and contact form. Now I click Generate. And that's it. No coding, no designing, no dragging and dropping. In just a few seconds, the AI creates a beautiful website with a hero section, feature cards, pricing, buttons, images, and even the website copy. Honestly, this looks better than many websites people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to build. AI website builders are getting insanely good. So here's my question. Would you use AI to build your next website? Or would you still hire a web designer? Let me know in the comments and follow AI Insider Byte for more viral AI tools.
Update helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next AI Insider Byte. If you're enjoying this kind of AI analysis, make sure you subscribe to the AI Insider Byte newsletter.